Hello everyone. So today we are solving question number 53 of GATE 2024 psychology paper. The question says the component of a vertebrate motor neuron is our options over here are axon, myelin sheath, soma or cortical. Let's just quickly get into these options. So axon, that is, it's a long, slender projection of a nerve cell. You can say neuron, and it conducts electrical impulse away from the cell body. So it is a motor neuron. So this is your correct answer over here. Next is myelin sheath. Now it is a protective layer which is composed of myelin, which is a fatty substance. Okay, so this also is a motor neuron, so this also becomes one of the correct options. Next option is soma, that is it's also known as cell body, and it also again plays a very crucial role in coordinating and initiating muscle contractions, right? The last option, that is cortical, is not a component of motor neuron, and hence A, B and C becomes your answer.